You're watching Gleazy's Fashion Friday. For today's video, we'll be discussing some items that you need to have in your closet. We all experience some very wet weather and we don't know what to wear. But today we'll show you a couple items that you can include in your wardrobe that can help you dress fashionably and productive for the wet weather. Our model today is June and she's wearing a practical outfit for the rainy weather. We suggest wearing a small side bag on a rainy day. This way it will be easier to walk with an umbrella and you don't have to worry about your bag getting wet. Rain boots are a must-have on a rainy day because we all want to keep our feet warm and dry. We love these boots because they're super comfortable, durable, practical, and also very fashionable. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you need any more tips or tricks on how to style for any weather condition, feel free to step into any of our Gleazy locations and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and also follow us on Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next week.